This next Father's Day gift idea, it's called Manwich. It's surprising you can even get this product in 2018. I'm going to hashtag Twitter this Manwich company and tell them they need to change the name to Personwich. What if this offends someone? What if it should be called Womanwich? Or, wait, Womanwich? No, that's not. You can get some of this for a father for Father's Day. You could tell him, Father, I got you some Manwich. You could, when he's out tilling the soil. Listen, I found something out the hard way. When you make this, you have to, the meat is not included. You see the meat in the picture? The meat is not included. You still have to buy that separately. I tried making this and I just poured it on the hamburger bun. I was like, this looks nothing like the picture. Get this, because who knows, maybe in a couple months they won't even have this product. And someone will tweet about Manwich, and then the next thing you know, Manwich will be eliminated from existence. Manwich. I wonder who makes Manwich. Let's look. ConAgra Foods. You've been put on notice, ConAgra. You need to get with the program. This is 2018. Manwich.